Hello everyone, my name is Nahid Saylak and I am an assistant professor in the Department of Veterinary Surgery at Dicle University, Faculty of Veterinary Medicine in Turkey. It is a pleasure to present our case report entitled Long-term result of femoral head and neck excision in a ram with coxofemoral luxation. This report describes the long-term outcome of femoral head and neck excision in a 2-year-old 52 kilogram Ackermann breeding ram with chronic coxofemoral luxation. To the best of our knowledge, this is the first report describing the long-term outcome of femoral head and neck excision in a breeding ram. The importance of this case lies in the animal's high genetic and reproductive value. It was the only breeding ram in the flock producing high-quality semen, so preserving its reproductive potential was our primary goal. Instead of culling the animal, we selected femoral head and neck excision, a simple, practical, and low-cost salvage procedure that can be considered when more advanced orthopedic techniques are not feasible. The surgery was performed under general anesthesia using a standard lateral approach to the hip joint. The femoral head and neck were excised. The osteotomy site was smoothed to remove sharp bone edges, and the surgical wound was closed routinely. The ram then received standard postoperative care and rehabilitation. To objectively evaluate the outcome, we followed the animal for 16 months using clinical examination, radiographic evaluations, and pressure walkway gait analysis. Although mild laminis, muscle atrophy, and radiographic abnormalities remained, the ram regained satisfactory limb function, successfully returned to breathing, and maintained its reproductive performance. One of the most important findings was the discrepancy between radiographic appearance and clinical outcome, showing that acceptable function can be achieved despite persistent radiographic changes. In conclusion, this case demonstrates that femoral head and neck excision is an economical, practical, and effective salvage procedure for genetically valuable breeding animals. It may help preserve both animal welfare and reproductive potential while avoiding unnecessarily culling. Thank you very much for your attention.